Guess what? Kids are back to school. That means, guess what? Parents are packing lunches.
Yes, and of course, Meijer, though, a one-stop shop for those lunch supplies. You got fresh fruits and veggies, snacks, sandwiches, even those lunch boxes and water bottles. Beth Eggleston, she is the Meijer Manager of Health and Nutrition Services. She is here helping us pack some lunches that are healthy, but the kids will eat as well, right? Because that's the key.
That is the key. That is the hardest part.
The hardest part.
We were just talking about those bento boxes that come back, and you're like, oh, why didn't you open the blueberry?
Exactly.
Now, I've been told that if kids help make it or prepare it, they're more likely to eat it.
That is 100% true. You have to have their buy-in. If you don't have their buy-in, they're going to trade it for all the other things within the lunchroom. So having a spot in your fridge that's like a grab-and-go spot for lunch items, having a spot in your pantry for that as well can be really helpful in helping to make lunches the night before.
Right, and snacks too, right? When you're running out the door, sometimes it's easy to just have that stuff ready to go. Let's talk about the bento boxes that you've made. These are so cute, and it runs the gamut of different things that you're offering these kids.
Yeah, I wanted to try some non-sandwich items because I don't know about you, I'm not like a huge sandwich person and neither are my children. So trying to be a little bit more creative and different varieties of boxes too. You can just use a simple like Tupperware style box, no big deal, using muffin tin liners to separate things if our kids are very picky about what touches.
Don't let the food touch each other.
Food cannot touch, of course.
Well, that's a brilliant idea though, the cupcake liners.
Yeah,
okay.
those are great.
You can get silicone ones. These are just traditional paper liners, but there's lots of different types of boxes available you can purchase at Meijer, but they're really handy. They have lots of little compartments. This one's more like a nacho flavored one with lots of different nacho toppings. We have an Italian one with marinara sauce to dip with mozzarella cheese and salami and some tortellini. This one is a great turkey wrapped in apple and some cheddar cheese. Really what's important is thinking about the food groups and just wanting to get in fruit, a vegetable, a protein food, and a grain.
Yeah.
Those skewers are genius. I was just looking at those skewers going, instead of a sandwich, that's what I would want.
Oh my gosh, me too.
Yeah,
right?
Something like that. Now, do you have something available that will keep things warm or hot? Because sometimes we like this in a thermos or some soup.
We do have thermoses.
Okay.
So glad you asked. And honestly, this is one of our most used items in our house. Yeah. My daughter in particular loves to take pasta for lunch. So I like to make up that high protein pasta just to keep her full for a little bit longer, a little bit more protein, a little bit more fiber. I just fill it with hot water, let it sit for a few minutes, and then heat up the food to the correct temperature, dump out the water, put the food in, and keeps it hot till lunch.
Okay, and let's talk about the importance of that, keeping hot things hot and cold things cold, because we got to think about food safety.
Food safety is very, very important. So making sure you're doing a thermos. If you are sending hot food, you can get the ice packs. You can put in just a frozen juice box. Some of the bento boxes, particularly this one right here, actually has a built-in ice pack underneath that just goes into the freezer. You pull it out, it's right under there, it pops up. Or there's lots of different options available. You can freeze yogurts. I have yogurts right here, and those will keep things cold too and be good to eat by lunchtime.
That's smart.
I'm just feeling so proud right now because I use that bento box. We do freeze our yogurts. We do. I think some of these things I'm actually
all the
marked
things
off. We're doing good.
Yes,
we're doing good. But I like the night before, like when I like to cook dinner, and I don't sleep on dinner as leftovers.
Leftovers are great.
That's that leftover spaghetti or that leftover meatloaf or that chicken breast that you cooked the night before can really make a really quick, easy lunch the next day too.
So easy, and you're already spending so much time mental load planning those meals. Why not make a little bit extra and get rid of that mental load for lunches and packing lunch too?
There you go. And Meijer's here to help us out because you have special programs, you have cooking classes, things that people can get involved with. How do they do that?
I'm so glad you asked, Michelle. We have a team of dietitians. We actually just expanded our team, and we do one-on-one nutrition counseling as well as free cooking classes. And coming up in September, we have free mini sessions powered by Taylor Farms where someone can sign up for 20 minutes with a dietitian one-on-one virtually. And anybody can do that by texting health, the word health, to 75049.
Okay, one more time. Health to 75049. You're going to want to do that because a free mini with a dietitian right there, and you don't even have to leave your house.
Nope.
All right.
It's all virtual.
Sign me up.
I love that, Beth. Thank you so much for
pleasure.
being here and for sharing all of these tips with us. hey, start shopping. Meijer.com. You can just have them shop for you. Go pick up all your stuff, your bento box, your water bottle, your thermos, and all of the snacks. Plus, so you can follow them on Instagram and Facebook as well.